Hello everyone, I am Sabina, Assistant Professor of Computer Science from KL Mehta Dyanand College for Women. As you all are attending a 4-day workshop plethora of tools for online teaching organized by Department of Computer Science. This is the first day of this workshop. Today I will going to teach you the basic of MS Word, how MS Word work and guide you some basic tips and tricks which will help you a lot in future while working on MS Word. So now I will open MS Word in my taskbar. Then it's open. It will look like a white blank page in the middle of the screen. Left and right side theme of blue color in the page. The white page is used for write anything, whatever you want like this. Now I'm going to explain layout of MS Word. Now we can see in the title bar. Title bar is located at the top of the screen. On the right side, it has minimize, maximize, and restore and close button. Then I'm going to menu bar. Menu bar is located just below the title bar, like Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. Each and every tab are attached to a ribbon like this. Each ribbon contains some set of commands which can be applied in a file. Then I'm going to ruler. Ruler help you to control the margin and tab setting like this. This is a left margin and this is a right margin. Then I'm going to scroll bar. Scroll bar are used for scrolling the document. You have to scroll in MS Word, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Then status bar. Status bar is displayed at the bottom of the document window, and like it shows page number, number of words, and languages. Now, firstly, I will guide you about page layout. How page layout work and what it is used for. We have to click page layout. Generally, the page layout is used for margins, orientation, size, and column. In orientation, it is basically used for landscape and portrait. Now, size is used for what type of paper size you want while written any document like A3, letter, A5, generally used A4, which is very useful at a time of printout. Now, you have some trick of MS Word. Then press equal to and type RAND small bracket, then hit the enter. It will show the paragraph. If you want to change the style of paragraph, then you have to select the paragraph and click the Home tab and click the B. B is used for bold the character, and I, which is used for italic the character, and U, which is used for underline the character. Then font size. Font size is used for increase the font and decrease the font of character like this. Now font color. Font color is used for color the bold character like this. Now text highlighter. Select another paragraph and click text highlighter color. Then click text highlighter color is used to highlight the color of the character like this. Now I'm going to insert tab. Insert tab of MS Word. I will show how to insert a table according to your wish. So first we have to click on insert and then click table. It will show you how many table rows and columns as per your requirement. Then click show the table. Now I'm going to insert, then click table and then click draw the table. Draw table is used to draw the table through mouse cursor like this. Like this. Draw a table like this. Now we can enter insert tab and click the table and click insert tab. Insert tab is used to show how many rows and how many columns you want for creating a table. You can select number of columns and number of rows and then click OK. Now table is created. Then I will show how to create macro. Macro is used for some basic characters which is used for number of list like computer, mouse, printer, laptop. First you have to click on MS Word Office button and just below the Word option it will give you a pop-up window. In that pop-up window, select the Show Developer tab in the ribbon and then click OK. It will reach you at the main home page. On the MS Word page, there is Developer tab icon generated. Then click on Developer tab icon. The moment you click on it, it will show your record macro. Then click on record macro. It will open a pop-up window. Then click on keyboard icon. You have to generate a new shortcut key, which is different from MS Word shortcut key. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Then click Assign button and then close. Macro recording is started. Then dash enter dash and paste down. Now starting point and ending path will be a same. Now stop recording and use shortcut key which you create before. The formula which we have created, Control Shift plus M, like this. This formula is applicable in all lists. Now click on MS Office button, then click Save button. It will ask you path destination of the file. Then select any path. I will choose desktop and select the path according to your wish and change the and file name, enter word first page and save as type Word document and then click save. Now Word first page is a file name, then exit and then close the MS Word. Thank you for watching this video.